There's nothing like putting your kid to bed after a hard day of parenting and sitting on your couch and decompressing. Enter the child who stalls and stalls when it's bedtime. No, I don't want to. I need to pee. My ankle itches. One more story. No bedtime, playtime. It can be so frustrating, especially when you know your child is tired and you just want them to go to bed. This video will cover common bedtime battles and how to prevent bedtime stalling with some video footage of us with our son. Hopefully by the end of the video, you'll have the tools you need to use to prevent the power struggle that will lead to a calm, consistent, stress-free bedtime most of the time. I'm Dr. Mona, a pediatrician and mom. I help empower parents with easy to understand information so you can make the best choices for your family. Are you a toddler parent? Make sure to sign up for our newsletter for all of our toddler courses and ebook coming this May from PedsDocTalk, including tantrums and toddler behavior, picky eating, potty training, and toddler development. So your child who has been going to bed without an issue is now asking for a gazillion things at bedtime or not wanting to go to sleep. What's happening? Well, this is very common after 2.5 years, maybe even earlier, when they realize they have choices and opinions and like to exert their autonomy. No, I no go sleep. No. Battles begin. But your role as a parent is to understand that this is a developmentally normal phase and not join their chaos. Sleep is an important boundary you will set. So although they don't want to do it, it doesn't mean that they do not have to. If your child doesn't want to wear a purple shoe, that's fine. But honestly, your toddler should not be staying up till midnight. So it's important to remember that sleep and bedtime is an important boundary and follow through. My first recommendation is to be consistent with the schedule. Toddlers should sleep sometime between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., with 9 p.m. being the absolute latest, and the sweet spot being 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. If your toddler is going to bed past 9, this is okay as long as you see that it's not impacting their overall behavior and sleep needs and leading to more tantrums. Of course, the schedule will vary on vacations or with fun events. Once you've confirmed you found a good bedtime, which it likely is, but they just don't want to do it, you want to be consistent about following through on going to bed at that time every night. Toddlers like predictability and consistency, and although they may stall and fight to go to sleep, having that predictability about when bedtime will happen is helpful for them. You want to commit to your boundary and stand firm. Follow through on bedtime even if they resist, and don't be afraid of upsetting them, and we'll go over some tips. They may resist and whine or cry, especially if getting upset in the past has resulted in them getting to stay up later. Even so, for bedtime to go smoother in the future, you need to follow through with the boundaries so they learn throwing a fit or yelling or screaming will not result in a different outcome, a later bedtime. Recognize their feelings, but reaffirm the boundary. I see that you're upset, but it's time for bed. Do you want to walk upstairs or do you want me to help you and carry you? I want you to keep a consistent and short bedtime routine. This means finding the bedtime rhythm that works well for you and doing the same calming activities in the same order before bed every night. This may look like bath, brush, books, bed. Bath, brush, books, bed. Doing the same activity in the same order helps your toddler's brain with predictability so they already know what will happen next. If needed, you can adjust the time or certain activities, but the order remains the same. For example, if dinner ran over or you're late and you're getting your little one to bed a little bit later, you could shorten bath time to 5 minutes instead of 15 minutes. They don't have concept of time, so continue the routine, but various portions of the actual time can be shortened. Just remember, do not appear frustrated or rushed because they will sense that and stall more. I also want you to be direct and consistent about boundaries. If you aren't consistent about boundaries, toddlers are going to continue to push for more and more. This is just how their brains work. Let's see an example of how we tell our son it's bedtime and the stalling that he does, and watch the pop-ups for more tips. Okay, Ryan, timer went off.
I want to stack this.
You want to stack that there?
Yeah.
Okay, we could do that. Where would you like to leave the rest of your toys?
No, nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
I know how to push it.
You don't need to push it. You can leave it there. Mommy will take care of it later. You can just leave it wherever you'd like today. Where would you like to leave it today?
Here.
Okay. And where would you like to leave it overnight?
And here.
Good.
And that go in.
Okay. Do you want to give Daddy a hug goodnight?
No, I'm so busy putting my stuff.
You're so busy putting your stuff away?
No, my stuff.
Okay.
Your stuff.
Where would you like to put it?
There's a daddy.
Okay.
No one's that messing on top.
Okay. Say goodnight, Daddy.
Good night, Booty.
Good night, Balloony. Would you like to say goodnight to your other toys?
I'm gonna pop it.
Well, we can't pop it because then it's gonna go bye-bye. So you can leave it so that we have it, right? Okay, where's the stairs?
I'm gonna do that boom beam.
Where's the stairs?
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Ryan, it's time to go upstairs.
And I can't see.
Where would you like to leave your balloon?
No, no, pop it.
Well, we can't pop it, so you have to leave it somewhere.
Miss, a monkey towel.
Yes, we have a monkey towel upstairs. We do. And if you do monkey sound, then what happens? Daddy comes. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna help you upstairs.
I know how me.
Okay, so then you have to come on your own. I can hold your hand.
Oh, I'm gonna move it.
Okay, move it.
There outside.
Okay. Okay, say goodnight to Shiloh.
No, pet her.
Yes, you did pet Shiloh already. Thank you. Okay, say
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Ryan.
And hug and kiss and high five. Hug. Kiss. High five. And high five. No, down low is like this.
You got me.
good job.
And up high.
No, you missed.
Okay, Ryan. Beep, beep.
Wait, I block.
Daddy,
You
can
go
we
under.
move our legs so Daddy
Go.
Ryan can come?
$4.
Go.
$4.
Wow. Very cool. Do you want to hold my hand?
Daddy, close it like this.
Yeah.
Daddy, close it.
Do you want me to hold your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah? So our routine consists of a bath, changing into pajamas, brushing teeth, and then reading 2 books, and then it's time for bed. Now, watch and listen as we see some bedtime stalling with our son in the bedroom. Make sure you listen and watch the pop-ups to see how I respond. Okay, which pajamas do you want?
I'm gonna hit a table.
Which pajama do you want?
Come. I'm gonna hit a table.
You hit the table?
Fruits.
I love fruits. That's a
I
good
like
choice.
fruits.
I think this is a great choice you made.
Yeah.
You made a great
I want
choice.
a sail moon.
It's a yellow moon?
I mean, not this.
You're gonna knock that?
Yeah. I mean, not a door.
No, you can't do that.
Can.
You can knock tomorrow. You can knock when you go to school. You wanna do that? When you go to school, we can knock on the door and go, knock, I'm here. Right?
Yeah. There.
Which 2 books?
2 books.
Which 2 books do you want?
This.
Ooh, you have to choose the 2 books you want. You wanna read that one?
Yeah.
The poop where it is? The poop there it is? What other book do you want to read?
This.
You get 2 books. Which other one do you want?
That.
This is one, and which other one do you want?
Oh, that.
You want this one?
That.
These are 2 good ones. Which one do you want to read first?
This.
Okay, come sit. And get close. we gonna rest?
And there.
Yeah, and why are we resting? Why do we rest?
And poo.
Why do we rest?
And poo.
No, you already poo-poo. You already poo-poo. You're gonna keep undies clean and you're gonna try poo-poo in the toilet in the morning?
Yes.
Ooh, I love you. And why do we rest our bodies? Why do we rest? Why do we rest? So that we can play? What do you want to do tomorrow? You want to see Daddy? Oh, and where do we want to be tucked? You want to be tucked here or here? Oh, that's a good one. Are you sure you want there?
Here.
Show me tuck. Which place do you want to tuck? Oh, wow. Okay, do you want to be on your belly or on your back? You want to be on your belly? Oh, wait, I have to turn off the light. Ooh. Oh, that's so cozy. You're gonna flip? Oh, that's a good choice. I think it's such a good choice. It's gonna feel better in the mornings. And which side do you want Hanu on? Which side do you want Hanu on?
There.
That's a good choice. Ready?
There.
Show me tuck.
There.
Show me where.
Tuck there.
That's a good one.
Tuck there.
We can't tuck there, but you can show me somewhere here.
Tuck there.
We can't tuck there.
Tuck there.
No.
Tuck there.
No.
Tuck there.
You can tuck here or here. Where do you want to tuck?
There.
I think you like here or here.
Tuck there.
Show me where.
Tuck this.
Show me where you want tuck. Show me where you want tuck.
Here.
I like it. And how many hours are you gonna rest for? 12 hours. I love you. I love you. Good night. Good night. So our entire bedtime routine from the moment we take a bath to saying goodnight lasts anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. The key here is to offer control and choice when possible. The boundary is that they need to sleep, but you can offer small pieces of control like turning off the timer if you're using a visual timer, holding your hand or being carried up the stairs, which pajamas they want, or which 2 books that they want, and offering this control through the process. Hide any frustration. It's so easy to get frustrated when you're tired, you're ready to sit down and relax, and they're pushing back on everything. But the more you show your child that you're angry and bothered, the more you push, the more they're going to resist. It turns into a power struggle which never goes well. Toddlers have a hard time regulating their emotions, so when they see you get angry and emotional, they get angry and emotional, and they have a hard time resetting their feelings. So then you're trying to get an emotional, angry toddler to quickly calm down and sit quietly and read books, which is not likely to happen. Instead, try to stay calm despite their antics and calmly repeat the boundary over and over. Sometimes this means standing and waiting like I did as he bounced in the crib. Also, don't forget to bring some playfulness. This can ease off of power struggles. Sometimes it means playing their control games a little bit. Like for example, at the time this is debuting, my son is 3 and 3 months, and he likes us to take his blanket and stuffed animals outside of the room. And when it's outside, he says, "But I don't want to get cold, Mommy," and I bring them back in. I know it's going to happen every night, but it's a small little game and it doesn't take too much time, and it adds some playfulness and control for him. For more on bedtime battles, including scenarios and scripts, how to handle when they want more books when you said there was only 2 books, or if they are refusing to go upstairs, make sure to grab my Toddlers and Tantrums course available May 1st. The course has tons of scenarios and scripts for many toddler moments you will face, not just bedtime battles and bedtime stalling. There you have it. Have you tried any of these tips? Has anything worked well for your child's bedtime routine to move things along? Please leave questions or comments below. And if you found this information helpful, please like and share this video and make sure to subscribe to be the first to know about new videos published. I'll see you all next week for another video here on PedsDocTalk TV. Stay well and hopefully get some rest.